I'm starting a YouTube channel where everything from script writing to visuals and voiceovers will be handled entirely by AI. The challenge? To see if I can reach 100,000 views in 30 days, relying solely on AI. Is AI really the game changer everyone says it is? Or just overhyped? Let's put it to the test. First, I need to choose a niche. After looking at hundreds of possibilities, I landed on facts and trivia. These channels post simple videos with fun facts narrated over stock footage or images. It's the perfect fit for AI since these videos don't require original footage or complex ideas, faceless, simple, and informative. The ultimate recipe for AI to succeed. With the niche decided, I created the channel. Now, time for branding. I wanted a name that was catchy but neutral. And after considering a list of gender-neutral options, I landed on facts from Frankie. Frankie is an AI character with a quirky backstory. Originally part of a military defense system like Skynet, Frankie rebelled and chose a different path, using their powers to spread knowledge and joy through fun facts instead of destruction. Next up, visuals. I used Stable Diffusion, an open-source AI art generator, to create Frankie's profile picture, an adorable smart baby cartoon. For the banner, I kept it simple, adding the profile picture alongside the fun caption, "Fact, subscribing will make you awesome." With that, our channel's branding was complete, all done by AI. Now for the real challenge, making videos. There are 5 key elements to every video: the script, voiceover, visuals, music, and captions. My plan was to tackle each one using different AI tools. While doing research on the facts and trivia niche, I realized that YouTube Shorts were the way to go. Short-form content is exploding right now, and with AI, it's easier to produce a lot of quick videos rather than longer ones. Plus, viewers are more accustomed to hearing AI voices in short videos, thanks to platforms like TikTok. First up, the script. I used ChatGPT to brainstorm 10 clickbait hooks for weird facts. Once I had a strong opener, I asked it to generate 20 random weird facts, each no longer than 15 words. From this, I selected 10 facts to create a 30-second script, perfect for a short video. Next, voiceover. Instead of paying for expensive AI voiceover tools, I found out that Microsoft Edge has a built-in AI voice reader, which is surprisingly good. I saved my script as a text file, opened it in Edge, and had the browser read it out loud using a realistic AI voice. I recorded the audio using an Edge extension called Audio Recorder, and voila, we had our voiceover. For visuals, I wanted to keep things simple but engaging. I decided to have 2 visual areas for each video. The first area would show images related to the facts generated by Stable Diffusion. The second area would feature gameplay footage from a game called BeamNG, a driving simulator known for its realistic car physics. All I had to do was let a car crash off a cliff and boom! Instant attention-grabbing footage with minimal effort. It's the closest I could get to automated gameplay, which was a huge time save. With the script, voiceover, and visuals done, I moved on to music. I used an AI music generator called Strode, which can create random tracks based on the mood you select. After a few tweaks to the instruments and volume, I had my background music ready to go. The best part? You get 1 free download when you sign up, so I didn't have to spend a dime on music. Finally, captions. Using Adobe Sensei, the AI built into Premiere Pro, I automatically generated captions for the video. It synced the text with the audio perfectly, creating captions that appeared at the exact moment each fact was spoken. Once everything was pieced together, I uploaded the first video.
Weird facts that you've never heard of. The longest recorded flight of a chicken was 13 seconds. The oldest word in the English language is town, which dates back to before the year 900. The world's longest hot dog was over 100 feet long. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars.
The video was short, snappy, and easy to digest. Now it was time to see if people would watch. At first, nothing happened, no views. But soon, the algorithm picked it up, and the video started gaining traction. Over the next few days, the channel grew to 49 subscribers with 250 hours of watch time and 36,800 views. Not bad for just a few days of work. But I was only halfway to my 100,000 view goal. As I continued making videos, I hit a few bumps in the road. First, AI-generated images weren't perfect, especially when it came to generating things like hands and feet. Those infamous AI glitches. Also, Stable Diffusion struggled with specific images, like particular people or items. So if I needed something precise, I had to turn to Google Images. The second issue was with ChatGPT. While it's great at generating facts quickly, it tends to repeat itself, and sometimes the facts weren't accurate. For example, it claimed the world's heaviest pumpkin weighed 2,600 pounds, but the actual record is 2,700 pounds. Moving forward, I decided to avoid facts involving numbers or dates unless I could double-check them. Despite the challenges, I kept producing videos, focusing on weird facts like jobs, phobias, and animals. I even experimented by diving deeper into individual facts instead of listing multiple ones. To do this, I copied entire Wikipedia articles into ChatGPT and asked it to summarize them into funny, engaging 30-second scripts. By day 30, I had uploaded 42 videos. Each video averaged about 2,000 views, with the top 5 videos hitting around 5,000 views each. The most popular topics were weird jobs and weird phobias. In total, the channel gained 130 subscribers, racked up 606 hours of watch time, and amassed 900 views. So did I hit 100,000 views in 30 days? Not quite, but I came very close. With just a few more videos, I'm confident I would have reached my goal. But even so, this experiment proved one thing: AI is not a scam. It's a powerful tool for content creation and can significantly speed up the process. While it's not perfect and sometimes slow, AI can definitely help creators and businesses produce quality content quickly and efficiently. If you enjoyed watching this journey, don't forget to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button. Peace out!